Ladies and gentlemen, we just hit the pre-owned Newell coach jackpot. Phil Cornelius, how you doing, sir?
Doing great, Andrew. Good to see you.
This Newell coach behind you is absolutely gorgeous. What's the story, sir?
This is coach number 1717, a 2022 model. Have some clients that decided to order a new coach, but they're turning their trade in early. So we just received this. We're getting it ready to take down to Southern California, where we'll be displaying some coaches during the winter.
Yeah, that's a great opportunity if someone wants to come touch and feel a Newell coach in person, but this is a special coach. Do you think you could show us around this coach today?
Yeah, let's take a quick look around the exterior, and then we'll go inside and take a look at some special features. If there's one word that I would use to describe this coach, it's storage. You're going to be blown away by the amount of storage that we have in this particular coach. The customers did a great job designing it for their purposes. And we've got some options available if someone wants to make some modifications. So we'll talk about that when we get inside.
Yeah, now the exterior colors on these are very classic. The white, black, and gold. Very nice paint scheme.
Yes, they did a great job with the paint scheme. Basically, we've got the same underbelly items that we've seen in a lot of the Newells. We've got the same amount of base storage and holding capacities that we've seen in the past. Here we've got your pressure washer with a reel. We got your air hose reel. We got the doubler for the air compressor.
And then it's got the Cummins X15 with a 25,000 pound towing capacity, leading towing capacity in the industry, and then all of that extra equipment like that air doubler. So if you need to air up your tires, Newell coach is thinking ahead. The power washer, a lot of features on the exterior of this coach.
And of course, we've got the valid slides. We build the coach from the ground up, so we're not taking a finished shell and then modifying it, tearing it down, and rebuilding it to accommodate the slides. We've got the ability to move the slides wherever we want for the particular floor plan we want. And you're going to see that when we go inside, what we've done to the rear of the coach, because we have the ability to move the slide forward.
Yes, sir. The interior is something to get excited about. Do you think we could take a look inside?
Let's go.
Sounds good. What an incredible looking interior, and very different than a lot of the coaches we've seen.
Sure.
What's going on, sir?
So these customers use their coach, like a lot of our customers, they have a particular need, and what they did is create a lot of extra storage space that you don't normally see on a Newell and certainly any other brand. So we'll go through and look at the storage. In fact, why don't I open it all up?
Yeah, let's take a look. It's a lot of storage in here, Phil.
Oh yeah, we've got wine storage and more storage behind this one.
Now these drawers over here, those got to be about 24 inches deep. You've got 3 of those, and then another 3 below there. Extremely deep drawers, and when you close those, you can just hear that Newell coach quality, just another level.
Very, very solid. And we've got additional storage up above the sink and countertop as well. Even with our ottomans, we create storage so that you can store books, magazines.
You'd bring it all with. Now, I do want to point out there is no additional sleeping in this coach. This is more built for 2 people, I would imagine.
Well, currently it is. However, we've got the ability to put a sofa in here. If somebody wanted to buy this coach and pull out this storage module, we can do that and put a sofa in.
Now, roughly what would the cost be to have Newell coach do some kind of custom work like that?
You're probably looking somewhere in the $10,000 to $15,000. Actually, the sofa alone is going to be around $10,000, but we'll work with the customers. If they're going to buy the coach, we'll work with them.
Very cool, and I know it all depends on how custom they want to get. So a lot of variables to the answer to that question.
Absolutely.
But I'd like to get a close-up for the folks on the countertop here. There's almost like a metallic flake in it. Really beautiful style, and a lot of countertop space in this coach.
This is one of the many designs that you can get with the quartz countertops now.
When we close up all of that storage, that creates a lot more living room and just a lot of open space in this coach as well.
Tremendous amount of space. We've got a 55-inch color screen TV above this counter. Obviously, the theater seats are over here, so they can enjoy watching the TV there. And even if we put a sofa in, that could still remain.
Yes, sir. And I like to point out that there's no cabinets in front of the windows. They're blocking the view of the windows on the door side of the coach, but you still have all kinds of storage. Just a really cool design here.
Now our dinette, as we've shown in the past, it's expandable. And then we have a leaf that goes in. I won't get that out right now, but we have a leaf that goes in with a pedestal, so you can create a lot more space for dining if you've got guests.
Yes, sir, and the design team did an incredible job with the different two-tones. You can see that cream color leather piping in the fabric there. Really cool textures and colors that really come together well.
As we move back, got a very large half bath with an underlit sink.
Yeah, such cool styling. And then I really like the way they changed the colors of the walls as we go into the middle of the coach. It was a little lighter out here in the galley, but then the darker woods here in the middle of the coach.
Good contrast, really. And then you've still got the lighter cabinetry inside. Now we've got additional pantry storage here. I didn't open up this a while ago, but you've got even more pantry storage. GE monogram refrigerator freezer unit. Ice maker in the middle, so you're not having to reach down to get the ice. It's right here. More freezer space down below. The flooring, it looks like wood, but it's a wood tile, and all this is heated all the way to the back. As we get into the bedroom, again, more storage. We're gonna open this up. So you've got long hang storage there, more long hang storage here, more drawer storage here. Then we've got storage up above the bed as well. I've got some AV equipment there. Easy access to this storage. And you've got the same thing on the other side. In order to create more storage, more drawer storage, we move the TV up, so we've got storage on each side of the TV. But also you've got enough window so that in the morning you can get the morning light to come in. This bed is actually a larger king-size bed than what we normally put in a coach. This is a larger king-size bed compared to our junior king that's standard.
Nice.
And we have the ability to do that for customers that are tall. This client, he was very tall, so we went ahead and accommodated that.
Now, how big of a bed can Newell make? I know you guys go super custom. Say some NBA player that's 7 feet 7 inches tall wants a bed to accommodate that. Do you think Newell could do that custom?
Oh, absolutely. We could do it. It'd just be some engineering that we'd need to do. We'd probably make it to where the mattress could fold up tighter whenever it's retracted and go out further whenever it's extended. Not a problem.
Well, with the leading headroom in the Class A industry, you never know what tall customers are going to be coming your way soon.
Oh, we get a lot of them. That's one of the reasons when they walk into other coaches, they have to tilt their head going down the aisle, and with ours, you don't have that problem.
Yes, sir. What is the headroom in a Newell coach?
It's going to depend on the ceiling treatment that we use, but anywhere from that 83 to 86 inch interior headroom.
Yes, sir. And then I believe inside of the slide rooms are still 6 feet 4 inches in the slide room there as well. That rear bathroom back there is really drawn my attention.
You know, this was during that time that we were creating some different floor plans with the step up being eliminated. It usually transitions from the bedroom to the bathroom. And so here you're going to see, again, a whole lot more storage than you normally see. A large shower and more closet space in the back.
Beautiful tile work on the shower. And again, extremely tall shower. What else is going on here?
Well, you look at all the storage that you have here. Storage down below. Because we've moved everything forward, we're picking up more storage.
I love that underlit countertop too.
Right, and we created more space because you've got the sink here. We created space on each side. Storage down below. Just a tremendous amount of storage there. As we make our way back, we've got a huge clothes hamper. Above that, cedar lined closet, and they've got a safe tucked away in the closet. And then on this side, we've got another closet. This is a great place to store shoes, along with the storage above. And here's your washer dryer unit, front loader with storage up above. And then finally, I'll let you get back here and show all of that storage. The cedar lined closet in the back.
Yeah, really cool style and flow of this rear bathroom, and with the darker cabinets back here, but still the light contrast. Just a beautiful feel back here.
Yeah, this is a very well spec coach. They really designed it for them, but I can see some things that many clients want. Everybody's looking for storage space, and this coach really went over the top with that.
Now I have to ask the question everybody wants to know: how much money does someone need to become the next owner of this 2022 Newell Coach 1717?
This is $2,095,000.
And do you know how many miles are currently on this?
Just under 26,000.
Now, what are some of the reasons that someone would choose to purchase a pre-owned Newell coach here at Newell Coach?
There's some obvious reasons for purchasing any Newell coach. Obviously, the construction quality, the service and support that's second to none, the ride and handling characteristics that you get from the continuous damping control, the electronic steering assist, the rear steerable tag. There's a number of reasons with the product, but also what's important to the customers a lot of times is what happens after the sale. And that's why we have a very thorough inspection of every coach performed by Newell Coach employees. After we do the pre-delivery inspection, we also do preventative maintenance on the coach. And then we're going to do a 3-day orientation or more if the customer needs it, so that they're very comfortable with the coach before they take off. The other thing that is very important, we have an exclusive 2-year warranty that is only available on coaches that are purchased through Newell Coach. Third-party private sale, you just can't get that 2-year warranty unless you're buying it through Newell Coach. So there's value built in there as well.
It's a factory 2-year warranty.
Exactly.
Where folks can bring the coach to the Newell factory.
They don't have to bring it here. That's the other thing, that if you buy it from us and it's under warranty and there's something that can be handled remotely or out in the field by a third party, once we approve it, we just give them the credit card and they fix it and you're on your way. There's just no other product like it on the market. It's just not available, especially in our class. The headroom, the flat floor slides, the storage, the ride and handling characteristics, towing capacity, 25,000 pounds. Nobody can compare with that.
Definitely a lot of value here, and it's always an honor to be able to bring the folks on YouTube along for tours of these beautiful coaches. So I really appreciate you and the team at Newell. Now, if someone is a serious and qualified buyer and want to purchase this pre-owned Newell or some of the other inventory here, who should they get a hold of?
For anybody that's a serious buyer and wants to take a look at the coach, we're getting it ready, in fact, to take down in just a week or two to Southern California. We're going to have some open houses down there over the next 3 months. If someone's interested, serious buyer for this coach, they can give me a call or text me at 541-953-3113 or email at philc@newellcoach.com. Hit any of my social media, Facebook or Instagram or YouTube. We'll arrange a meeting down there.
Yeah, we'll leave all of that info in the description below. Phil, I greatly appreciate you and the team at Newell Coach.
Always. It's always a pleasure.
Also greatly appreciate all of you out there subscribing to the channel and liking these videos. We hope you're all having a great day. Thanks again.
Have a great day, guys. Give me a call.